What's going on, JRT Prod Squad, man? It's your boy Johnny back in the building with another video. First things first, Georgia, what the hell? It is cold out here. And yes, I know it's fall going into winter. I don't know the exact date change, seasons will change and all of that stuff. But it is cold as hell out here. It's normally not this cold around this time in Georgia, but you see that? Yeah. And that ain't because I ain't brushed my teeth. That's just, it's just cold as hell. All right, so anyway, got something for y'all today, man. We got a new package, just came in the mail. I told y'all it was coming. Oil catch can is here. So without further ado, because I'm freezing my ass off, let's go and get into this unboxing and install. And by the way, if this is your first time at the channel, go on and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think. Hit the bell notification button so you know exactly when I upload videos and everything. Now let's go. Here we go. Let's go and get this one-handedness on. Y'all see that? Hold on. There you go. Boom. Let's go and put you up. The champ right here. Boxing champ. Alright, let me put you in. Woo, boy. Whether they playing those games, alright. Not very much going on with packaging. It's a nice little safety. Bucket foul to the side. Alright, throw that off, file that to the side. Let's see. Some nice safe packaging going on here. Alright, got some more safety packaging. And there it is. There it is, people. The JLT cash can is here. Alright, so we got installation instructions. Check that out. Okay, we'll file that to the side there. Let's see here. See, we got our bracket right here. That's nice. I like that. Definitely like that. And this is the actual catch can. Just step out here so y'all can see this real quick.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space.
Yeah.
If you're doing what everyone else is
That's
doing,
nice right there.
doing it wrong.
Alright, let's go on and get to it. Let's see what else we got here. Alright, so we got the catch can, we got the bracket that goes there. Alright, and we got our two hoses here. Right. Got our two hoses. Some screws and some washers. And they sent us a nice JLT performance sticker. File it to the side. Okay. Alright. So we got everything that we need right here. Take that off. Boom. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and get ready for this install. It should be quick. It will be quick. So let me get set up and get back with y'all in a minute. Talk amongst yourselves. Alright, y'all. So we back. So for this install, it's a really quick install. Well, it's a short process. It may be quick for some, maybe may not be quick for others. But for this install, all you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll need a 30mm socket with a ratchet. All right. So pretty much all we're gonna do, and we're gonna take you over here to the car. It's a beautiful day out. All right. So first thing you want to do, of course, is remove the cover. Yeah, remove your cover off your beast. All right. So the connection is going to be like so. You're going to remove this PCV valve here from this and the intake manifold. So you're going to take this off. And also, what you're going to have to do is remove this piece here, which is it's like I don't know, like a little plastic bracket to kind of hold the wiring or whatnot. So because that's where you're gonna connect the bracket that's gonna be holding your oil catch can right there. All right, so yeah, remove your engine cover. The next thing I'm gonna do is take the bracket and I'm gonna screw that into here. All right, so it comes with a washer and It comes with a washer and a nail. I'm sorry, a screw to just go on and screw in there. So I'm gonna go and do that right now, and then I'm back. All right, guys. So I got the bracket installed and everything. So it's in there nice and secure. That's pretty good. So yeah, make sure you put one thing it definitely tells you to do is make sure you put the spacer in between the engine and the bracket and not on the outside. So that's the first thing that you want to do. All right, so next thing we're going to take off the valve coming from here to the manifold, and we're going to install this hose here, which is going to be coming from the top going to the oil catch can down here at the bottom that you can see, and this side here is going to go from the other side of the oil catch can to this connection here. All right, so one thing you want to do when you're putting these back on is put a little lube on it. You know, just like some oil that you have around, just a little bit, just really, really light, because the fitting is going to be really tight on this hose. So just enough to kind of just wedge it on real good or whatnot. So that's what we're about to do right now, and then get back with you because my fingers are freezing. All right, so we got the hoses connected. So yeah, you definitely want to make sure that you put some oil on the inside of this hose because it is really tight. It's really hard to put on, and you really have to try to be careful not to, like, scratch your hand up and all that. But yeah, I got the hoses on tight and everything. So next thing that you have to do, you take the oil catch can, and it says to mount it first. But what I'm gonna do, because I know how difficult the hose is to put on, is I'm gonna mount the hoses to the catch can first, and then I'm gonna screw it on. And it's just gonna go on under here just like this, and then you're gonna screw in the 2 screws at the very, let's see. So you're gonna mount it in right here like this, and you're gonna screw in the 2 screws at the very top, and then that'll be it. So I'm gonna go on and try to put the hoses on first, and then I'll bring it down here and mount it, and then let y'all see the finished product. All right, Prod Squad, so got everything connected. Everything is looking good, just like it is on the picture. So, okay, so I will say, putting the hoses, connecting the hoses to the catch can itself is nowhere near as hard as connecting the hoses to the engine. So you can actually go ahead, you can go ahead on and put the oil can, mount the oil catch can on the bracket first, and then connect the hoses. I mean, I just went on and connect the hoses, and then slid it under there and mounted the bracket, mounted the catch can to it. I mean, but either way, it'll still work either way. But yeah, definitely want to make sure that you prepare yourself for trying to put these hoses onto this engine and that intake manifold, because that sucker is tight, bro. It is super tight. So now I think what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna attempt to do this. I don't know if I'll be able to. No, I'm gonna try to put this engine cover back on, and we're gonna see if I can do that. I don't know. I might just let it hang. Just let it be out there all raw and stuff. Let me see. And it actually covers it. I don't know if I want to put this back on or not, to be honest with you. I want people, when if I ever pop this hood for somebody, I want them to see my work, man. I don't know. I kind of want them to see it. And I don't think it's going to fit, to be honest, because of the these 2 things here that go connect to that, those 2 there. I don't see it working because of the hose. So I may end up having to leave this thing off. Be honest with you, I think I am just gonna leave it off because, as y'all know, big mods are coming. So engine bay cover is not gonna be able to fit on top, especially when we get into these, superchargers or pro chargers or whichever way I decide to go. I don't know. Let me give it a second. Let me just try to put it on real quick and see if it works, and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, yeah. So it is not working. Putting the engine bay cover back on. Like I said, I ain't really worried about it too much. I mean, because I got other stuff coming that I'm gonna be doing to it, and I'm gonna be able to fit up there anyway. So I'm good with that. But anyway, so that's the oil catch can. It looks nice. I like it. I'm kind of proud of myself. Y'all know that. I mean, I know a lot of y'all really don't like when I work on my own car because, I mean, it makes you cringe and all of this stuff. But I think this one went pretty good. This one did all right for me. I didn't damage the car any kind of way or anything. So everything went good. So all right, yeah. Now on to the next, man. Finally got my first somewhat of a first engine mod, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it's not really the biggest thing, but you know, it's a step towards greatness. It's a step towards the better. So that's what I'm really looking forward to. So the next thing I'm thinking about doing, I've heard a lot of y'all in the comments drop comments about changing out the brakes, changing out the rotors, and you know, changing out the brakes and stuff. That's something I might consider doing. I mean, I guess, you know, definitely you're gonna have more power. You gotta definitely have the power to stop first. So I'm definitely gonna look at those. But I'm also, like I said, I think I'm looking at long tube headers next. So it's gonna be a research video that'll be posted next about different types of headers. You know, long tube, shorty headers, different brands. You know, the cheaper ones versus the more high-priced ones as far as quality is concerned. So anyway, we're gonna get on into all of that later. But anyway, man, I hope y'all liked the video. If you did, like I said again at the beginning, you know what to do if you like the video. You know what to do if you want to come back and see more. Go on and do it. Okay, anyway, man. So I'm Johnny, JRTProductions, man. I'm actually about to head to the dealership to get an oil change. It's early. It's still like, hold on, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. So everybody's at work. So it shouldn't take me that long. Y'all saw that video, that last video I did when I went to get an oil change. It took me forever. It was ridiculous. So it's 9 o'clock. People are at work, so I should be able to get in and out. But I'm about to take a trip to North Carolina, and I'm about to drive, so I got to make sure that she's in tip-top shape for this drive. So y'all see me on the highway, Instagram me, you know what I'm saying, DM me on Instagram, and 9 times out of 10 I will reach back at you. I will reach back out to you. And again, man, Johnny JRT Productions, man, look, y'all hold it down, man. I'm real excited about going on to these next mods, man. It's about to be real big. So like I said, man, it's coming. All right, y'all, Johnny JRT Productions, I'm getting up out of here. Y'all hold it down. It's cold. I'm out. Peace. Oh yeah, one more thing. Let's just crank it up real quick and make sure everything is functioning properly. Yeah, that thing sounds like a beast. I'm going for real this time. Y'all hold it down. Peace.